Hey guys, so you see Cody's toys. He got bored of his toys, so now he's on to destroying this towel. I put the towel there so Vinny won't destroy the drawer. But Cody's been very obsessed with getting into the drawer and pulling things out. I think it's really funny because no matter what I do, he keeps finding a way in. Excuse me. You can't dig around in there. No. Come on, Cody, let's get out. Let's get out. I'm destroying the towel. Let's get out. No going in the drawer. Cody, get your head out of the drawer. Come on, Cody. Come on. Don't. To say. Yeah. Cover it up so he doesn't get at it. But look how smart he is. Meanwhile, Vinny's such an angel. You're an angel, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. If I go over here, he'll think I forgot about him. Meanwhile, those two.